Imagine a world where satellites and mobile devices are connected like never before, and one company is leading the charge. Amazon's recent acquisition of Globalstar is a game changer for the future of technology and your investments, and we're here to break it down for you. Globalstar is a leading provider of mobile satellite services, with a constellation of satellites orbiting the Earth, providing voice and data services to customers in remote areas. So, what does this acquisition mean for Amazon? And more importantly, what does it mean for you and your investments? Well, for starters, Amazon is getting a significant boost to its satellite capabilities, which will enable the company to offer a wide range of new services, from emergency response systems to remote connectivity solutions. But that's not all. This acquisition also gives Amazon a strategic advantage in the market, allowing it to compete more effectively with other tech giants, such as Google and Microsoft. Now, let's take a closer look at the details of the acquisition and what it means for the future of technology and your investments. Amazon's acquisition of Globalstar is a $20 billion deal. That's right, $20 billion, which is a significant investment, even for a company of Amazon's size. But what's even more interesting is the potential for this acquisition to disrupt the entire satellite industry and create new opportunities for investors. For example, with Globalstar's satellite constellation, Amazon can now offer satellite-based internet services to remote areas, which could be a game changer for communities that lack access to traditional internet infrastructure. Additionally, Amazon can also use Globalstar's satellites to enhance its drone delivery services, allowing for more efficient and reliable delivery of packages to customers in remote areas. So, if you're an investor looking to get in on the ground floor of the next big thing, then this acquisition is definitely worth paying attention to. Now, let's talk about the potential risks and challenges associated with this acquisition and what you can do to mitigate them. One of the biggest risks is the potential for regulatory hurdles, as Amazon navigates the complex web of laws and regulations surrounding the satellite industry. For instance, Amazon will need to comply with regulations from the Federal Communications Commission, as well as international regulations from organizations such as the International Telecommunication Union. But despite these risks, the potential rewards are significant and could lead to a major shift in the way we think about technology and connectivity. So, what can you do to take advantage of this opportunity and invest in the future of technology? Well, for starters, you can start by doing your research and staying up to date on the latest developments in the satellite industry. You can also consider investing in companies that are at the forefront of this technology, such as Amazon or other companies that are working on similar projects, such as SpaceX or OneWeb. And finally, you can diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different assets, including stocks, bonds, and other securities, to minimize your risk and maximize your returns. In addition to investing in individual companies, you can also consider investing in satellite industry-focused ETFs or mutual funds, which can provide a more diversified exposure to the industry. Another important consideration is the potential for this acquisition to impact the environment, as the increasing number of satellites in orbit could lead to increased space debris and other environmental concerns. However, many companies, including Amazon, are taking steps to mitigate these risks, such as developing more sustainable satellite technologies and implementing responsible satellite disposal practices. In conclusion, Amazon's acquisition of Globalstar is a major development that has the potential to disrupt the entire satellite industry and create new opportunities for investors. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and invest in the future of technology, then this acquisition is definitely worth paying attention to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.